first thing you're going to want to do is take your T20 bit and take out these 6 screws.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own wayprice labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande scales wayprice labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande scales wayprice labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your wayprice labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales wayprice labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales wayprice labeling product.
Next, you're going to take this back plate cover off with your T20 bit. Just 2 little screws right here. Now you take your 8mm wrench and you loosen this bolt right here. It's on both sides. And you can move this slide over. Already loosen the other side, you move it over, then you can start untwisting this side. Then you want to take your T20 bit and loosen this bolt and the one right across from it too. Then after you get it all twisted out, pops right on out. Loosen this, do your T20, move that over, screw this all the way out, pull it out. Next you're going to have to pop the conveyor belt out of its little connector right here. You're going to pull up on it a little hard, and then make sure it's a little loose. You set it back down a little bit and then come back to the other end. Now you're going to want to put your keepers in the lock position because you're going to end up lifting up on the conveyor belt a little bit so they don't slide back out. Now you're going to want to put your hand about halfway down the conveyor belt. You can lift up on it and it loosens up these belts. Pop that one out, you go to the other side, pop it out. You can set your conveyor belt back down. Okay, now to take the drive motor out, you want to loosen these 2 bolts out right here, and that's with 8mm. You're going to want to hold it down like this so it doesn't fall backwards on you. We'll put your hand on the back side of it, slide it out. Alright, now you're going to take your number 4 Allen wrench, you're going to take these 3 screws out. Now you can move your belt out of the way and take your number 2 Allen wrench and loosen up the keyway for the set screw. Take that gear off. You'll have a keyway right here that you'll have to take out. And then you can slide the shaft right out to the back side. And then you're going to want to take your T25 and loosen up this screw right here. Then take your 8mm and loosen up these two bolts right here. Now to take that last bolt out, you can move this L bracket out, take your T25, loosen up this screw, and then you'll have one more screw on the back side to take this bracket off. Make sure you're holding the motor pretty good with your hand while you're turning it. And then you take your T25, loosen this bolt. Okay, pull that screw out. Then you can take this bracket out. And now your motor is out and you can change it. After you've changed the motor out, you can do reverse order to start putting the motor back together in its harness. Wait to tighten down this L bracket until you put a little bit of pressure on the motor towards the L bracket. You want to kind of squeeze a little bit, you don't want to get it too tight. Then you can start tightening up your 3 screws here. And then you can move your L bracket back tight and tighten it down with your 8mm